Next are your sound settings. Let's go to sound by searching up sound in the search bar over here. You can click on the search icon instead of navigating through scroll. Sound, and here we go. This is my output device. In this case, you can select your output device, test it, your output volume, how much you would like it to be. Over amplification, if you would like to exceed 100% volume, which again is not good for your ears, you can click on this setting. Here's your input devices. So in this case, your microphone, I have it disabled because I'm using recording software, which I just don't want it to interfere with. Your sound volume, or your sound system level is right here. And your alert sound, you can have it however you want. I have it as a default. Next is the keyboard and mouse settings. You can go to keyboard and you can change your input source. I have it as English. You can add another one, for example, English United States, United Kingdom, Australian English, or Canadian English. In this case, I'll be adding Canadian English, and I'll be shifting the priority to Canadian English, so my keyboard will be using that. If you're using a laptop, you'll see mouse and touchpad settings, which is right here. I'm using a mouse, so it will have everything related to my mouse settings. My pointer speed, for example, I can have a very low speed, or I can have a very fast speed for my pointer. Mouse acceleration, which is recommended, so I wouldn't turn this off. This is just, it'll just accelerate your mouse depending on which position you're at. There's two options for scrolling direction. You can either have it through the traditional view or natural. I would rather use traditional for this setting. Power and battery settings. This is, again, I'm using a desktop, so I don't have access to those settings. But if you had a laptop, you could change your power and battery settings. But power settings I can change if I click on this top right corner here, or through settings. You can do it, but I'll be doing it through the top right corner. You can see power mode. Right now it's balanced, and I can click it to turn it to power saver or balanced. This depends on how much power you would like the system to use, but I would like it to be balanced, so I'll keep it on the balance setting. Now let's talk about system updates and maintenance. To manually update, you'd go to your settings, click on about, which is right, click on your system, click on about, and here you go. This is all your system details. It tells you everything here. You can click on system details. This is all your system details it would show you. And in order to update your settings, you would go to Windows or your command key, or just click on the activities key. And if you would like to update the software, type in software updater. And there you go. This would update your Ubuntu software. If you would like to check your disk capacity, go to your activities, search up disk, click on disks, and here you have it. This is my hard drive I'm using right now, which has 27 gigs. Your hard drive might be different, your capacity might be different, and this is how you can check it. I have two partitions. You might have either more partitions, or you might have just simply one partition for your entire system. And there you have it. That's just a simple guide to your settings and customization settings through Ubuntu. The next parts will deal with other things related to Ubuntu.